Hey guys, if you'd like to see how I transform my friend Allie's look from short into super long using Hair and Compound's hair extensions, then keep watching. Clean sections are super important with this technique as you want to make sure that you don't have any little crosshairs in the way. One thing I like to do is to section off the hair that you do not need as part of your connection and clip it away. Starting at the nape section, you're going to bead row by row, making sure to pick up exactly the same amount of hair in each of your connections. A few months ago, Hair and Compounds reached out to me, offering me the opportunity to sample their hair in exchange for a hair post / video review, and I have to say the hair itself was lovely to work with. They sent me this beautiful hair for me to install on a model, and in turn I found that this was actually quite a lovely match for Allie's hair. These wefts are high-grade, 100% human Remy hair that have been 70% double drawn. These are reinforced hand-tied wefts that unfortunately cannot be cut down to make them into a smaller size. Therefore, some of these lower nape sections you'll see me actually folding the hair before I stitch it onto Allie's beaded track. These wefts were extremely flexible and it was not at all a problem to fold and sandwich over before stitching. If you have a favorite sew-in technique of your own, be it with micro beads or with braiding, these would be really great quality wefts to use on anybody who has more normal to thick hair texture naturally. Though there are tons of ways to bead wefts into the hair, one of the things I love the most about this technique is that everything is moving in natural fall. Unlike other beaded sew-ins, what makes this technique unique is a sandwiching principle. By sandwiching the weft hair both below as well as above these beaded connections, it allows for us to sew the hair on and have the actual connections themselves remain invisible. that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out Hair and Compounds on Instagram and YouTube, and subscribe to my channels for more videos.